So basically it's my final project for CS50P, and for this project I've made a coffee ordering system, basically a command line coffee ordering system, which I have titled the Caffeine Diaries. Welcome to the Caffeine Diaries, where your coffee cravings meet convenience. In this video we'll take you on a worldwide tour of our command line coffee ordering system, showcasing its features, functionality and seamless user experience it offers. Imagine you're in the mood for a delicious cup of coffee, but you don't want to deal with the hassle of waiting in line or navigating through complex ordering apps. That's where the Caffeine Diaries comes in. With just a few keystrokes, you can place your coffee order and have it ready in no time. First of all, I'll run python project.py. Enter. Our program starts by displaying a mouth-watering menu of coffee options, complete with names and prices. From classic espressos to indulgent frappes, we've got something to satisfy every coffee lover's cravings. To place an order, simply, first of all, you have to add an order. To add a coffee, you have to enter A. So I'm entering A, enter. Now it will ask me for the option number. Want two classic cold brews? No problem. Just type 2, enter the desired quantity. So I'll order 2 of them, enter. And now my order summary says that I have 2 classic cold brews which cost 559.98 rupees. So let's add one more. So I'm doing adding coffee, enter. So I'm in mood for taking a caffeine blast, which is really needed right now. So let's prompt the option 9, enter, and I want 2 quantities of them, so 2, enter. And now it shows classic cold brew 2 quantities and caffeine blast 2 quantities. But what if you change your mind or accidentally add too many items? Not to worry, with the Caffeine Diaries you can easily remove items from your order with a few simple commands, keeping your coffee experience stress-free and customizable. So let's remove one cold brew. So first of all, to remove I have to enter R, so I'll enter R. So after that it will ask me for the option number from my order list. So let me intentionally try wrong option, like I'm entering 5, enter. It will reprompt me again. So now I'll input the right option. So 1 is the, no, not 1, 2 is the right option for cold brew, enter. And now it's asking me for the quantities that I want to remove. So quantities, let's also intentionally type some invalid quantities, like, so I only have 2 quantities, but let me enter 5, enter. So it is saying invalid input, please enter quantity more than 0 or less than actual quantity. Okay, so now I will enter 1, enter. Done, it's done. Like, I had 2 cold brews for my previous order, but now I have only 1. So this is how it works. And now if you wish to display menu again, like you change your mind, so you type M, enter, the menu is displayed. Now you think of buying one hazelnut frappe for your friend, and prompt A, enter. Hazelnut frappe has the option number 7, enter. Quantity 1, enter. And there you go. Order summary is classic cold brew, 2 caffeine blast and a hazelnut frappe. So let's check out from here. I'll enter C, enter, and there you have it. The Caffeine Diaries revolutionizes the way you enjoy your favorite brew, making coffee ordering as easy as typing a few commands. So why wait? Dive into the world of command line coffee ordering today and let the Caffeine Diaries fuel your next caffeine fix. So basically it's my project. I hope you all like it as much as I did.